Good morning. This is Sandy Purdy coming to you from Baby Lock Tech, where the theme this year is Unlocking the Future. And this year, Ed and I are taking that theme very, very seriously. I'd like to let you know that Stephanie and Kevin Yargo will be the new owners of Creekside Fabrics, Quilts, and Yarns in Arcade. And we are excited to have her unlock the future of Creekside in a new and innovative way. Stephanie, come join me. Many of you know Stephanie. She was a Creekside family, or is a Creekside family member for all our years in business. I remember when her little girls were tagging along behind her when her husband was deployed, and they would play in the shop and we would chat about all of the new colors and fabrics and yarns that Stephanie was working with. And over the years, we've developed a wonderful, wonderful family relationship. And I am so happy that her and Kevin are going to be sitting in our chairs for the next many, many years. Stephanie, I hope you're as excited as I am.
We are. We're so excited and happy to see and meet everyone.
What are you going to do?
We're going to unlock the future.
We're going to unlock the future together. I will be supporting her for many months to come. This is something new for her. It's something new for me. I've never sold a business. She's never bought a business. You will see Sandy Purdy a lot in the store, and I'm actually going to be able to take classes. And Stephanie will be able to do all of the things that she has a talent for, and that's taking Creekside to the next level. I'm so excited you're unlocking my future, and you're unlocking yours. So welcome to the Creekside family. And there'll be more information, everyone, coming through over the next few weeks and months to come. Baby Lock is going to be with us forever, so you will be serviced and cared for just like you were the last 18 years. So stay tuned. The best is yet to come. Let's unlock that future together.
Oh.
Oh, we're supposed to wait. Okay.